Welcome back to day 2 of the Garment Technology Expo. The excitement continues as industry leaders, innovators, and garment professionals explore the latest in apparel manufacturing technology. The show floor is buzzing with innovation and ideas. Today, we witnessed meaningful interactions, business networking, and hands-on product demonstrations that are shaping the future of garment production. Visitors from across India gathered here to connect, collaborate, and create new opportunities in the apparel industry. Garment Technology Expo, driving innovation, technology, and growth for the fashion and textile world.